So now we're going to unbox the Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X.
Whoa!
Wow.
Okay.
So yeah, maybe I show you the packaging. If it's
Yeah,
okay,
the
autofocus is not that good. But yeah, there you can see them, really minimalistic, orange and black, just like Beyerdynamic.
Yeah,
Here you can see
the new Beyerdynamic logo with the Y.
with the Y. Here's something too, like the logo. There we didn't even open it yet. Everything we do affects our environment. This box therefore consists of 100% recyclable paper and cardboard.
Whoa.
Yeah, there are some things.
Props to Beyerdynamic for like
Yeah,
sending recyclable stuff.
yeah.
And
that's
let's
nice.
open it.
So let's open it together. I think you can. Oh yeah, look at this. Maybe it's not the aesthetic, the most aesthetic way to open the box.
Okay.
But you will see it
You
inside
did it.
anyway.
Whoa.
Wow. Oh my god. So soft. Let's
Yeah.
show them.
Looks
Look.
pretty well packaged. There's no
Yeah.
foam in there, but there's still
Oh look, they say
think-
pull. Like maybe pull this whole thing outside. Just this one. I
I think you have
like
to put
this.
the whole thing outside, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then you have the little manual, little thing here with the Pro X. Oh, you get some stickers.
Look at them. Aren't they cute? You can't see them probably. Like Pro
Okay,
X.
you get like a lot of like paper stuff here. I think we all saw the stickers.
But they're
It's
so
fine.
cute and they are like so little and tiny and
Yeah.
you have to show them like this.
It's just like the quick start guide and the instructions and you know the create the amazing and you don't have to show them all.
But
It's
maybe
fine.
they are interested in that.
Nobody's interested in the paper stuff.
Oh. Should I read that?
No.
Which okay, you
You
can
get
read it
you
if-
get like a little lovely note from Beyerdynamic in the packaging. And yeah, what I wanted to say,
Yeah.
there's like no foam in there, which usually is with like headphones,
Oh,
but still they were like this inside, and then the
The-
roof was like over there, and so I think it didn't move.
Yeah.
But now you can like just
get them out.
get them off there, and then
Yeah.
I don't know. Is there something more? Like
There has to be a cable.
This looks
Oh, can
like
I try?
yeah, like there's something
Oh
more
look,
inside.
there's open.
Oh
Can
yeah,
you see it? And I think you just have to open it.
it makes
Open-
sense.
Oh my god. I can't open it.
Okay, well let me try.
Just try it like gentle. Oh,
Yeah,
oh
I
you
did
did
it.
it. Oh, you did it.
Oh, there's the little
Oh,
bag
there's a little
inside.
pouch inside.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh,
Okay.
maybe
Cool.
that cool.
Oh yeah, of course, because you need like cables
Yeah,
for them. So
that's what I just said.
you get your
Oh, look, a little strength thingy. Oh my god, what's there? Create the amazing.
okay. So you get like 2 cables.
Looks really good. Yeah.
Are these both like? Oh yeah, it did. The one is one's shorter and one's longer, but like they are both like the same. You have these mini XLR connectors and your 6.3 and then your 3.5 thingy here.
I think I broke the string.
Show. You already broke it.
Yeah, I want to do it forward and then it can't go like backwards because there are little like spike thingies inside, and now I like cut it there and now I had to like pull it out, but oh my god.
I wouldn't have needed anyway. Like, so don't worry.
Oh my god, I broke. But what if you don't like them
Maybe
and
it's
you have to like
yeah, maybe it's just like
I will try it.
you can like fumble it back inside. I think
Yeah.
so. It's just like made so you can like put it off, and
They also somehow got it inside. So.
yeah, so it has to work. Sort of the first drama. Did you open the little box?
Yeah,
or-
there was nothing.
There was nothing. Okay.
So, yeah.
So yeah, that's everything.
Look, like a little baby. Oh yeah, you can see them also. Like there's
Okay.
the logo, the Beyerdynamic, some cushion thingies like this, and on the side, and there, and there.
So yeah, you cannot really read it because the camera is inverted.
On the side.
But there's like just the guide. Then you have like a little flyer thingy with some advertisement, and then you have like more instructions, and yeah, just the little bag, which
And stickers.
all of them were inside, and yeah,
And the
stickers,
pouch.
the headphone.
The pouch is, I think, made of polyester, so
Yeah,
it's not really that.
but at least it's a pouch.
No, it's not like. It's just made for dust, like.
Yeah, it's not for protection. Like
Yeah.
otherwise, you would get like a really like a hard
And you get a
case.
string that I broke.
We will repair it. It's fine.
Okay, so that's what you get.
Okay, so let's
That
go
was
on
the-
with the review.
Yeah, bye bye.